Alright, what's up guys? So, getting ready to get on the bike to head home, but I wanted to show you something that I got real fast. Now, I got an email from Indy Ridge about a sale they were having. So, I ordered a pair of the Power Sport motorcycle gloves, and this is pretty much how they came, in a box. So open a box, and it comes in this little plastic package, which kind of reminds me of like a pen and pencil holder I used to have when I was in school. So this will actually wind up being good because, as I said before, I have an affinity for pens, or I have a love for pens. So I think I'm going to store my pens in here now. So, and it comes in this nice little canvas bag. Now I've already opened these, obviously, but I just wanted to show you how it's packaged. This package is like great, it's awesome, and you know, then it's wrapped in this paper too. So, but these are my new gloves, Power Sport motorcycle gloves, and I'm going to get on the bike and I'm going to talk more about it. All right, see you in a minute. So the Power Sport motorcycle gloves, I gotta say, they are comfortable. And really the only reason I bought them, because I had bought a pair of summer gloves last year. I'll link the video up here. I bought a pair of built gloves from Cycle Gear. And I said in that video that there was a hot spot on my thumb right there, right here, where holding on to the grip, the handlebar grip, it really started to get sore. So as of right now, these don't seem to have any hot spots in them, which is a good thing. And they actually fit very good. I know with any of my other gloves, the three other pair that I wear, I am always adjusting them, pulling them down, doing this kind of shit. And with these, I really haven't felt the need to do that at this point in time. So, but like I said, the reason I bought them, I have heard good things about Indy Ridge from a bunch of different people. Yeah, I've watched YouTube videos, a bunch of guys wear Indy Ridge gear, whether it be gloves or whether it be boots. So I got an email that they were having a sale. Whatever, I forget exactly what the sale was. So I said, I'm going to try a pair of their gloves. Now, in all honesty, these are the cheapest gloves that they have, that they sell. So I said, let me try them. And if I like them, I'll maybe move up to a different pair, because they do have some really nice gloves. So I bought them. I got a really good discount on them. They were relatively inexpensive. It was, I think, with tax and everything, was less than $30. So far, I like them. So far, they're good. They're working out well. So, like I said, Power Sport motorcycle gloves. This is not my first ride. I'll confess. I rode with them, and it was on the way to work, and it was 84 degrees, and the air flowed pretty well through them. So it's right now it's low 60s, and it's really comfortable. It's got good airflow. It's got, I don't know if you can see the holes there for airflow. It's got, they have carbon knuckle protectors. You know, protect your knuckles. I think they're padded underneath too. It's got rubberized palm. So I don't know, honestly I don't know if that'll save you in a slide, or how much that'll protect you in a slide. It doesn't have, you know, it just feels like rubber. It doesn't feel like there's anything in there. They have this strap, which that's really the only thing, but that's my fault, because like this side's fine, but this side it gets tight because of my watch. So I wear an Apple Watch, and it's right in the way of the strap, so that part's my fault. But it's a very breathable material, very comfortable. They're touted as spring, summer, fall gloves. I don't know how much further, like I don't know how they'll be in 40-degree weather, or I'm sure they're not going to be good in 40-degree weather, but like 55 or so, I don't know how well they will be. So overall, as of right now, I'm happy with them. Like I said, they're still new. Haven't gotten much mileage on them. So, but they also do have the screen, touch screen. So you're able to use your phone. They got it on the thumb, first finger, middle finger. So, not that I really use my phone or anything while I'm riding, but if I ever needed to, they will work. So overall, like I said, as of right now, I like them. I will be wearing these more than I wear the built ones at this particular moment in time. So there's my opinion. We'll see how it goes over time. Like I said, I'll probably wind up buying another pair. If these hold up and I like them. So, alright guys, till next time. Now before I get into that, real quick, I haven't been doing mail calls lately because they really don't get a lot of views, and I also really haven't been getting any mail. I do have a couple pieces of mail that I can do, which I might, but if you want to do a sticker swap, please leave a comment down below about it. If not, hit me up on Instagram at goofy_bastard1. DM me, and we can get that going. So until next time, my friends, you guys stay safe and love one another. Peace.